What's up, YouTube? It's been a while since I made a video, but today this video is going to be on Koch Chemie's leather care, their KCX. Now, this isn't Leather Star. This is a little bit different. The main difference is that this is more of like a DIY leather protector compared to a more professional grade protector of the LS Leather Star. Now, I just really like this one. Ever since I bought it, I really liked it. It's really smooth, has a decent fragrance, nothing overpowering, and blends super nicely on perforated leather. Now, my favorite way to use this is just putting it on a microfiber applicator pad, dabbing it on to the leather, and then lathering it in. And I really like how it gives a rich look and a hydrated look to black leather. This is something I'm really fond of using, and I like KCX very much. I highly recommend it. As you know, Koch Chemie has a ton of great products, and I think this is my first review on a Koch Chemie product. I hope to do more, and I've been really absent from YouTube. I'm sorry, guys. To my 800 subscribers, I've been really active on TikTok. My TikTok is at Garcia Bros MD. If you want to check us out, we have a ton of different products that you could see that we use, and a bunch of different detailing insights. But anyway, this KCX is amazing. I'm going to show you how it looks right after I'm done applying it. And I use a good amount because I really like how that hydrated look comes out. So let me just move this a little bit and get all this around here. There we go. Now we'll just buff it down. This stuff, regardless if you buff it down, it's not greasy at all. It's super smooth, but with all leather products, I do like to buff them down, or leather protecting products, I do like to buff them down just a tiny bit. It's up to you if you want to. In my opinion, you don't really need to, but let me just show you how this finished look is. And all the rest of the seats have gotten protected as well. So that is how it looks, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if this is something that you would purchase going forward. Koch Chemie's leather care. This is a German brand. This is their KCX. This isn't anything new, but I've seen this being promoted a lot more recently within the past year. So ever since I used it, I loved it. I'll definitely keep trying it. Guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you try this product out and keep staying in tune for more videos coming up. All right, Garcia Bros checking out.